This brand is made in the USA by Research Products Corp. And the humidifiers can be purchased through their Amazon store. The Model 800 is a steam humidifier that can use the home's duct system blower or an optional fan pack to distribute the moisture. They have a sensor which senses the indoor humidity level as well as a sensor to measure the outdoor air temperature to allow for automatic operation. They have a 34.6 gallon per day capacity and are backed by a very good warranty. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.